On everybody, this is Jeremy at ibl.ai, and today I just have a very quick video for you. This is how you can access the private environment or tenant, whichever word you want to use, that we've created for you on the Mentor AI platform. So once you log in to the Mentor AI platform, you will be directed most likely to the main environment, the main tenant. This is where everybody who creates account on the platform has immediate access to after they create their account. So once we've added you to the custom environment that we've created for you, what you can do is once you log in, come up to this upper right-hand corner where you see this little person icon. This arrow is going to open a drop-down menu. So from that drop-down menu at the very top, you're going to see this little folder icon, and next to it is going to be the name of the environment that you're currently in. Most likely it's going to say main. There's another little arrow here that opens a drop-down menu, and this is going to be the drop-down menu of all the environments that you have access to. I have access to quite a few, so you're going to see a lot of different environments in here, but in your case, what you would do is likely you would just have main and then the one private environment that we've put together for you. So what you're going to do is just select the environment that you want to work within, be in, explore, experiment with. Click that, you'll be automatically directed to it, and that is how you access your private environment on the Mentor AI platform. Thank you so much. And